What if you could link iCloud, Google Drive, and powerful AI tools into one ultra-efficient digital ecosystem that not only stores your files, but actually works with you to organize, summarize, plan, and automate your entire life? That's exactly what I built. For 30 days, I tested what happens when you combine the world's two most powerful cloud storage systems with a custom AI assistant, and the results weren't here just about saving space. They were about saving time, boosting focus, and unlocking the full potential of every note, document, screenshot, photo, and idea you've ever saved. Welcome to TechWave 65. And today, we're diving deep into how to supercharge your workflow by combining iCloud, Google Drive, and artificial intelligence. Let's go. First off, you already use cloud storage, but probably in fragments. You save photos to iCloud. Maybe your Google Drive has old-school files, shared docs, or spreadsheets. But the real power comes when you stop treating them like storage and start using them like an active digital brain. I started by mapping the flow. iCloud handles Apple ecosystem files, notes, reminders, calendar, photos. Google Drive handles docs, sheets, PDFs, large assets, and shared folders. The trick was not choosing one or the other, but connecting both to one central AI layer that could read, interpret, and act on them. That layer, ChatGPT Pro with file upload and memory enabled. First step. I connected Google Drive to Zapier, which triggers when new files are added to specific folders. The Zap then runs a script that copies metadata into a Notion dashboard and pings ChatGPT with the file name and context. Then I train ChatGPT to recognize certain file types. For example, if a PDF contract is added, it reads and summarizes key terms. If a doc is uploaded, it outlines main ideas and creates a to-do list. If it's a spreadsheet, it auto-generates a performance summary. I did the same for iCloud using a shortcut that syncs new notes, screenshots, and reminders into a synced folder, which then gets scanned by the same AI system. It reads my notes and highlights deadlines, reads my screenshots, and pulls out text. It scans my reminders and suggests next steps. Suddenly, I wasn't just organizing data, I was using it to think better. But it gets even crazier. I trained the AI to act like a personal knowledge assistant. I said, when I upload anything tagged idea, generate a 3-paragraph expansion of that idea using my writing style. It did. Every brainstorm I had became a draft. Every sketch became a framework. Every voice memo, once transcribed, became a meeting summary with bullet points. I turned iCloud and Drive into a content machine. I also connected AI to my calendar. It checked when a new file dropped and asked, "Do you want to block 30 minutes to review this?" Then it auto-scheduled a focus session with a link to the file. It was no longer just storage, it was active scheduling. I even asked the AI, "What files did I ignore this week?" It told me. "Want to schedule time or archive them?" Yes, 2 clicks, it's gone. Then I linked ChatGPT to both iCloud Photos and Google Photos. I ran AI image labeling. Every screenshot got tagged. Whiteboard pics got OCR scanned. Visual ideas became searchable data. When I searched framework, pulled up a photo of a hand-drawn business plan from 2021. I'd forgotten it existed. It remembered. But here's where it really gets good collaboration. If a teammate uploaded a file to our shared Drive folder, ChatGPT read it, wrote a summary, and suggested talking points for our next call. It even drafted my reply. Didn't just store content, Kate gave me the next move. That's what we all miss. Storage doesn't matter unless it helps you move forward. So let's talk workflow. I created folders for content ideas, client files, finances, and templates. The AI knew how to treat each type. Content files generated thumbnails, titles, scripts, and timestamps. Client files extracted pain points, scope, and goals. Finances, it pulled out expenses, flagged duplicates, and created monthly summaries. Templates turned them into auto-fillable prompts. My entire digital life was sorted by action, not by folder name. Now imagine that applied to your workflow. If you're a student, your notes go to iCloud, AI summarizes them, and your calendar auto-blocks study sessions. If you're a freelancer, your Google Drive contracts get parsed, your calendar gets updated, your task list fills itself. If you're a creator, your scripts, assets, edits, all flow through AI, getting repurposed into shorts, blogs, captions, newsletters, and more. It's all from 2 cloud accounts and 1 smart assistant. But let's talk security. I encrypted anything sensitive. I ran local AI models for private documents using GPT for ALL. I used 2-factor authentication for Drive and iCloud. Don't let convenience override caution, so don't over-automate. Let AI suggest, but you decide. I always do a final check. The goal is not full automation. The goal is intelligent augmentation, to make it easier for your brain to do what it does best. Create, solve, focus. So here's your game plan. Start small. Create a Google Drive folder for AI-ready files. Sync your iCloud notes to a folder using shortcuts. Train ChatGPT to summarize, sort, and reply based on context. Use AI to scan screenshots, read docs, and organize your chaos. Let it be your second brain, not just a hard drive. The future of productivity isn't just about faster laptops. It's about smarter ecosystems. If you connect your clouds, train your AI. And set your flow. It's like getting 4 hours of work done in 45 minutes. And that's not hype. That's smart system design. So, iCloud plus Google Drive plus AI isn't just about storage anymore. It's about power. You already have the files. Now build the system that makes them work for you. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 65.